Hey, you know what time it is? It's supper time.
Time to eat.
Today we're having chicken cordon bleu. How fancy.
Right, we're doing it the easy way.
Yeah, frozen from Sam's Club. This one is Barber Foods cordon bleu.
We're going to have some hash browns with it. These are from Wegmans.
They're from Wegmans.
These are frozen. This is frozen. We're going to cook them together in the toaster oven today.
I haven't had these for years, but I had them 40 years ago maybe. And they were frozen, and they were good.
Yeah.
So the toaster oven is preheating to 350. Look at this. Opens like this. We got two of these. One was, I thought I liked this kind, and she got one stuffed with broccoli and cheese.
So we're going to eat the cordon bleu tonight.
Yeah, there's 6 in each one.
We're going to open them up and put them in the toaster oven on a piece of parchment. You might want to have two. I don't know.
Do not microwave or air fry. You know it's good.
Yeah, they want it to be crispy.
I want 2. What do you want? 2?
All right.
They're small. So, they remind me of little ice creams. That's what they look like.
Keep the crumbs on them there.
Keep the crumbs on.
Very gentle. We want the crumbs.
You'll eat that. Look it.
Yeah, it will shrink a little bit too.
Leave them in for 40 minutes.
They're not cooked, so you have
Whoa.
to bake them fully and try not to. I'll put a couple of these on the plate.
Organize them. Who would have thought we'd have a gourmet meal today? Cordon bleu.
How many hash browns would you like, mister?
3 or 4.
How about 3? How about you have 2 and I'll have 1?
Alright, I don't need that many. And you were going to make me maybe some garlic bread since we got the toaster oven going?
Oh, yeah. Should I make just 1 for you? Or do you want 2?
That's good like that.
Okay.
Maybe you want 2.
No, I want 1. Just 1.
You think we have to turn these over? I didn't read that.
Yeah, the hash browns, yes.
But not the cordon bleus?
No. It'll, see how they're a little open at the edge? They'll probably start to cook out a little bit there.
Cheese, yeah. They have also chicken Kiev.
Oh,
That's right.
that's
That's where I used to get them. My boss sent me to buy them. One of my jobs was running errands for this executive for his Buick Regal. Remember I told you I drove Buick Regal for a long time.
To Sam's Club?
Get 12 packs. No, before Sam's Club.
Oh.
Get 12 packs of chicken cordon bleu and 6 of chicken Kiev.
Oh. Next time we'll try Kiev.
Yeah, that's something else.
All right, let's get them in the toaster.
Take 'em in. Remember
You're
they look
warming
like-
it up already, right?
Yeah, it's preheated. It beeped already. All right, going in. Then we're going to tell you some stories. Ouch! Don't burn yourself.
All right, sounds good.
I'll set the timer.
You want garlic bread, eh?
I don't think I need it. My back still hurts. Remember? Oh, it's painful. I had to work like that.
I know, I don't know how you made it through the week.
I got to win the lottery. I'll tell you a story about somebody that won the lottery near us.
Oh,
Could have been us.
could have been.
Maybe we'll win a bigger one.
Was it from the store where we usually get our tickets?
Where I usually go in the morning after work. I'll tell you all that. Stick around. Right?
Okay.
We're going to set the table.
All right, let me
Since
put
it's
the
a
rest of
gourmet
these.
meal, I'm going to use new paper plates as opposed to used paper plates.
Oh my gosh, we would never use used paper plates.
Used?
No.
Okay. Spoons and forks. Right? All right. Next time you see us, we'll have hot meat in our hands. I hope. I believe they're ready. We took the temperature. And we took out the hash browns, put them on the table, and we put some garlic bread in its place. We're doing them bubbly boys. Smells like chicken.
It smells good.
Now we gotta wait a while because they're gonna be hot, I'm sure, right?
The cool down has started.
All right, assume the position. Grab your forks. And let's eat. Oh, you're there already.
I'm here.
Trying to eat, right?
Oh, that's right. I'm ready. I'll let mine cool down while I'm cutting it open.
I got the mini spatula.
Okay.
Oh,
Got a couple condiments here if you want some blue cheese dressing.
That might be good.
Some ketchup.
Ketchup for the crunchy.
For the potato. Can you slide one over?
Oh, you want one?
Oh yeah, I want one.
I'll have one.
You want any ketchup on your plate?
I don't know. It's warped.
There we go.
I don't know. Got the
Okay.
ketchup.
How about the blue cheese, my dear?
Maybe on the side. Let's get these on our plates so they cool down a little better.
Okay.
It don't look very fancy, does it?
Oh, I think it's fancy. If you thought about putting this together, it would take a while to put
if we made
the
it
blue
from scratch.
cheese and the cheese
Cordon
and
bleu.
So a little dipping sauce here.
Oh,
Would you like some on your plate?
all right.
I know you love the blue cheese.
Yeah, I love the blue cheese. What's this dinging? I always got dinging going on.
And
Oh,
a
the bacon.
little garlic bread. I saw you adding
That
the
was
garlic.
easy.
I made it myself. Just a roll. Put butter on there, and I put garlic on there. That looks like something. Let's see.
What do you got? A little.
I
That
found this,
was easy button
I
on the
found this in
table.
my toolbox
That was easy.
from that long ago.
Yeah, they started out years ago, right?
So you want to look inside of there or something?
All right, let's take a
I'll
look.
take a close up.
Okay. Oh, that's nice piece. I like these. Look at
that.
the steam coming out. Now look at the ham and cheese blend in there, and the nice chicken
Smells
wrapping it
good.
up. Oh, nice breading, crunchy.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, that was easy to make, wasn't it?
That was easy.
That's what you said.
Sure, it's still hot, right?
Yeah, be careful you don't burn your tongue.
So these were from Sam's Club, and you said they were $12.99,
Right, for 6 in a pack, $12.99.
and it came out to. That's why I had this piece of paper there, because you figured it out already. But I didn't write it down.
Well, that's $2 and
$2.60 something.
19 cents, I
Something like
think.
that.
Well,
Oh, you got the hash brown.
I took the hash browns because it's the coolest.
I'm gonna try the chicken. Breading is real good.
That is worth it for them to make those little chicken things. Because they had several different flavors, right? They had chicken cordon bleu, they had
I don't know what the third flavor was.
Kiev.
Oh, I don't know if I saw that there. We got them with broccoli because you like broccoli.
Yeah, I like the broccoli one.
Let's check this. Let me borrow that ketchup.
Sure, I don't want any ketchup, he says. This is a nice Friday night supper. Right?
Now, although there's cheeses in there, look at the smoke. Can you see it? It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Be careful you don't burn your tongue.
I'm going to dip it in my cold blue cheese.
We couldn't decide what to have for supper tonight. This was sitting on the top of the freezer, so it got picked.
We had a couple warm days after a couple frigid days. And you know what's next.
More frigid days,
No, a lot of snow is supposed to come.
right? Probably the area where you live has a prediction too of lots of snow.
I hope they're wrong. Get that snowblower out. Maybe we'll show you some clips. I hope the power don't go off too.
Oh yeah, I hope we don't have to use this snowblower.
I started 2 of my generators, which I'm lucky I have. And I'm charging up one of those power boxes. I'll try the garlic bread. I made it. Just a regular roll. Mmm. We lost one. Oh, there she is.
Okay. Would you like to dip your garlic bread in the blue cheese?
That's a good idea too. So when I got the lottery tickets today, there's an old lady in the store, old, about my age, and she don't talk much. And I said, "Anybody win here lately?" Because they sell a lot of lottery tickets. Yeah, somebody won last week. So how much? 300,000.
Oh.
Wow. Which ticket? A crossword puzzle. I buy it every day. I've just bought 2, and he bought the one after me.
Oh.
I won 300,000. And she's
Oh.
old. She's old, like she
Wow.
should, be retired. She said, "We're sold out of them anyway." So I bought 6 figures. This one you can win 600,000. I would love that. 5 prizes of 600,000.
So you think there's going to be 2 in that pack?
Some stores are lucky. Some people travel a long ways to go to a lucky store here and there. We used to see it on that lottery show on TV.
Can I have one of them?
What is that? Is that what that scratching was going on there?
Oh, it's a little deer scratching down
Deer,
there.
you look like a squirrel. Make it walk.
It's a little squirrel.
Is it a squirrel or a deer?
It's a squirrel, my dear.
Make it walk like that.
Hello there, Ricky.
That squirrel needs a nut. That squirrel is a nut.
Oh, look at how cute.
You see that? Where'd you buy that?
My sister gave it to me so I could surprise you.
Oh, you surprised me.
I should take a close-up
It's
of it.
scary. Whoa! Make it move around. Oh, that's scary.
Hi there.
Imagine seeing that coming out the side of your head.
It's a cute little puppet.
I never expected that.
I know, that's the point. Isn't it cute? I love little squirrels.
And they love you. Chicken cordon bleu.
Yeah. Now it's cooled off enough to taste it. Oh, we're going to try it for this lottery.
Be nice if they were both $600,000 winners. It's broke. They don't want us to win. I know it.
Everybody's trying tonight because of the big snowstorm.
Oh man, the snow. Supposed to get record amounts. They say the power might go out. I hope not. But we're prepared. No winner on that
No
one.
winner.
But we got mail. Try this one. Should win something.
I hope so. Good luck.
Darn it, why did I
bad.
waste my money on that? Uncle Dennis was right. The only people that buy lottery tickets are people that are bad at math.
Or not lucky.
So, dip the garlic bread in the blue cheese. That's a recipe right there. I did get 2 more lottery tickets, though.
Oh. Just in case we didn't win the big one?
Yeah. I've been lucky on these lately. What did I win? $50 on this one? You'd like to see us try again, right?
Yes, I would.
No! You could dream about that thing.
He's going to have a nightmare tonight.
Is it a squirrel or a deer?
It's a squirrel.
Handy. Very handy. Yeah.
Oh, $10.
Want to trade?
Oh, for another chance, give up my 10.
And go for this. This might be $500,000.
I'll keep the 10.
Okay, you heard her.
I like that though. $50? You gotta be kidding me.
These are good tickets. I won 50 on this last time. Still bad at math. I'm keeping this one. Oh,
Uncle Dennis, what do you think of that?
yeah. How much did you spend over a lifetime? Well, this was a quick, easy meal, and it was fun and delicious. And there was 6 in a box, right? So you could feed 2 people,
Sure.
2 regular people,
Add a couple side ingredients and
or 4 normal people. There's a big chunk of ham in there. Pretty good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check Kathy's channel.
my dear,
Yeah, my squirrel.
my squirrel.
Squirrel! That squirrel's nuts. Stop back and see our snowfall totals. I'll show you little bits as it comes and goes. There's no blowing it out there. Not going to do much shoveling. Back still hurts.
Well, hopefully they don't have a lot of snow problems too.
Yeah, and I hope the power doesn't go off.
A lot of the United States is going to have it.
I read somewhere they're going to have exploding trees for some reason for the extreme temperatures. I
Oh,
don't know, the moisture in the tree, and I don't know.
never heard of that one.
That's another scam, but who knows? Hope not. I mean, I hope it is a scam.
Well, have a good weekend.
Yeah, take care. We love you. Eat some Cordon bleu if you like it. I like it. It was easy too.
What's
Get a whole nother hash brown too. We got 2 more Cordon bleus over here. Mmm.